Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to open up files and folders and different items with the single click mode on your computer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung File Explorer. And then click mo lang dito yung open. So once na-open mo na itong File Explorer and next step, so dito lang sa upper right side, makikita mo dito yung tatlong dot or ito yung see more and then click mo lang yan. And then next step, so scroll down at select mo lang dito yung options, so click mo lang yan. And then pop up itong kanyang folder options settings. And next step, kung paano ba natin enable ang single click to open icons. So dito lang sa general and then next step dito lang sa gitna, makikita mo dito yung click items as follows. So kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung single click to open an item, point to select. So i-click mo or select mo lang dito yung bilog na yan. And then, may dalawang option dito na pwede mong i-select din, like underline icon titles consistent with my browser or underline icon titles only when I point at them. Okay, so select ka lang dyan sa dalawa. And then dito sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung apply. And then click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so once nagawa na natin yan and then itatry natin. So open lang natin or open lang tayo ng ating folder and then ito yung gagawin natin. So, single click lang. So, click mo lang yan. And automatic mga kaibigan, mag-open na siya. Alright? So, i-click mo lang dito. Single click. And automatic mga kaibigan. Ayan. So, ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan. Alright? So, ganun lang po on how to enable a single click to open icons on Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.